Have you ever wondered how to turn $98 into $2,800 in just 16 days? Well, buckle up, because you're about to embark on an exciting journey that will reveal how this seemingly impossible feat was achieved. Picture this: a novice trader, armed with nothing but a small investment of $98, an unwavering determination, and a strategic blueprint from a seasoned mentor. This is not a story of overnight success, but a tale of patience, strategy, and resilience. In the span of 16 days, a sum of $98 was transformed into a remarkable $2,800. Yes, you heard it right, $2,800. How did this happen, you ask? Well, the journey wasn't always smooth. There were days of exhilarating success, with gains soaring to as high as $600, and then days of disappointing setbacks, with losses plummeting to as low as $275. But amid these highs and lows, a consistent, disciplined approach was maintained. The path to a funded account was paved with small, calculated steps. Trading with micros, paying a monthly charge of $49 to Top Step, the initial $98 investment saw exponential growth. Payouts were requested, not once but twice, each amounting to $800, leaving a balance of $1,200 for potential drawdown. This balance, although seemingly small, holds immense potential when trading at a micro level. The days were filled with trading, with a striking 75% of them ending in profitability. The equity curve, a visual representation of the journey, was a sight to behold. From day 1 to day 16, not a single instance of drawdown was observed. However, the journey was not without its share of trials. The second week brought with it a loss of $275, followed by 2 more losses. But the key was in managing these losses, trimming them down, and most importantly, learning from them. A loss often heralds the start of a losing streak, making it crucial to remain vigilant and adhere to the trading plan. A hasty attempt to recover losses can often lead to a downward spiral. Patience and persistence are the secret ingredients to successful trading. So there you have it, a 16-day journey from $98 to $2,800. A journey filled with victories, setbacks, lessons, and most importantly, growth. This journey serves as a testament to the power of strategic trading and the incredible potential that lies within each one of us. Remember, the road to success is not always easy, but with determination, strategy, and a bit of patience, the impossible can become possible. As we near the end of our journey, I'd like to take a moment to express my gratitude to my mentor, ICT, whose guidance has been instrumental in my trading journey. The valuable lessons and strategies I've learned have helped me navigate the complex world of trading. I'd also like to mention the prop firms that I'm currently using. For more details about these firms, please check the description below. To all of you out there who are in the process of learning to trade and facing challenges with prop firms, don't be disheartened. Remember, every trader has their ups and downs. Keep pushing yourself, keep learning, and keep believing in your potential. Your determination and perseverance will soon pay off. Stay strong and keep trading.